Here's the huge city Los Angeles. Here's a famous Hollywood sign behind of me. Okay, we're at the Chinatown Griffith Observatory. Oscar nominations will be taking place here. Dolby Digital Theater. Well, this is a very symbolic place. Okay, and we are at the famous Chinese theater, Pacific Fair Wheel. We are at the Santa Monica Pier. My name is Larissa, and I'm your private guide in Los Angeles. We are at the Walk of Fame. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is one of the LA's most visited and photographed landmarks, one of the top things to do in Hollywood, and one of the top 3 things to do in Los Angeles. The Walk of Fame was created in 1958. Stars are given in 5 categories indicated with different brass symbols: motion picture camera, television set, phonograph record, radio microphone, and twin comedy Tragedy Masks, which is added in 1984. Here is a place where its Oscar nomination annually take place. Everything is going to be ready for the Oscar nominations. The road to the Hollywood. Signature with his feet. We're in Hollywood, guys. Like Alice in Wonderland, you will find there is even more to see in Los Angeles than you have dreamed about.